What's up, everyone? My name is MarkPlante, and this is MPV Vlogs. Hi, everyone. Like I said, my name is MarkPlante, and this is MPV Vlogs. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom there. You'll be able to look at all the videos that I've done over the past 8 years. 8 years, I believe, I've been doing this. Holy mackerel. If you're already a subscriber, thanks. I do appreciate it. Please hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button. You'll be able to get a notification anytime I put up a video, just like this one. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. So what we're going to do here is, if you've been following along, you've seen that my family has cut the cord. It's been almost 2 weeks now that we have not had cable in the house, and to tell you the truth, I am not missing it in one bit. So far, we have got better pictures, better video. We've got more entertainment than we had with the cable TV. We have several TVs in the house. Currently upstairs, we're streaming with the Roku server. It's the Roku Ultra from 2020. Right up here, click here. You can watch me unbox that and set that up. On the TV behind me, we have Verizon Gigabit service, and because we signed up with it, they sent us the Verizon streaming TV box. If you have to buy this thing, don't waste your money. It's not that good. The box is basically locked. You're not able to download any third-party apps on it. So you're basically stuck with the apps that they allow you to download. So one of the apps that I want to have on the TV is called Nesson, N-E-S-N. It's the New England Sports Network. Being from New England, I am a big New England sports fan, and Nesson is the only ones that broadcast the Boston Red Sox and the Boston Bruins. So I really need to have that. Plus, there's a lot of other things with the box. It's just not worth it. So what I've done is I've gone out, and we now have Chromecasts with Google TV in it. So what we're going to do is we will install that right now. I have had Chromecast in my house now for at least 5 or 6 years, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Basically, what we've done is we've streamed the media from our phone directly to the TV. So which is good for watching YouTube videos and some other things. But you're not able to switch from app to app with it. With the Chromecast with Google TV that just recently came out, it's available in 3 colors. The colors you'll see here on the screen right now. I ended up with the white box, and I'm lucky to have this. These are in high demand right now. You cannot find them anywhere. Amazon is not selling them, so do not go on Amazon to buy it. The only thing that they have on Amazon is the Chromecast Ultra, which is totally different from this. It's not the same thing. It's actually an older model, so don't get confused and mixed up and go on Amazon and trying to buy this. Walmart, I tried ordering it through that to have shipped to the house. They're completely out. If you try to order it directly through Google, you're not going to get it until after Christmas. So this product is in high demand. So what we're going to do right now is I am going to open this box, and I'll show you what comes in the box. So let's go take a peek and see what comes inside this box. All right, what we have here is the Google Chromecast with Google TV. It allows you to download these apps here: YouTube, YouTube TV, Netflix, Prime Video, Spotify, and you can see the rest of them here. These are the top streaming apps that are out there right now. Everything that you're going to download is through the Google TV service. With this product, you can actually use the Google Voice remote. What it'll allow you to do is to search for apps, search for different types of shows. It can actually be used to search for directions. It uses Google Assistant. So it does a lot. Supposed to be a very simple setup. Just plug into the HDMI in the back of the TV, and then plug the other end, which is a USB-C, into a power switch. Comes with a remote. Okay, Google TV claims to be able to discover 700,000 plus movies and TV episodes, and what it will do is it will recommend shows based on those shows that you watch. I know that the Roku does do this. From what I've seen, Amazon TV or Google TV is incredible at doing this. So let's open up this box and I'll show you what comes inside the box. Alright, this is what we have in the box. This is your Chromecast dongle. This is what will connect to your TV. On the back here, information about the dongle. You're going to have a power indicator light to let you know if you're getting power to the dongle. And then underneath here you got a reset button right underneath. Comes with your remote control. So this is the first Chromecast device that has a remote control that comes with it. It's supposed to be universal, so it should connect to your TV, your sound bar, anything connected to the TV. You have two hot buttons on it. One will take you to YouTube, the other one will take you to Netflix. Also in the box was your power cord. It's USB-C to USB. You get the power brick for it, and you also get two AAA batteries for the remote control. So what do you say we hook this thing up to the TV right now, and let's set it up. Okay, when you do this, this means that the Chromecast is not getting enough power. So what I'm going to have to do is, I thought the USB would work for it. Okay, so we're going to set this up now. Okay. Alright, just as with any other product that you're going to hook up, you have to set it up. So we'll start out, the welcome screen is English. Okay, and what I have to do is set it up with my home app. So, alright, so what I'm going to do with this, I'll set up on the TV. We will connect to my network. Alright, so right now it's connecting to my home network, which it did. Okay, I'm assuming once this update is done that the Chromecast is going to reboot. Restart, there it goes. Okay, and Google TV is running off of Android, so I'm a YouTube person, so not too familiar with Android, so I'm going to have to learn how to do this. God, this takes forever. Holy crud. Okay, rebooting again. I'm not quite sure what it's doing right now. I guess that's the boot up for Google TV. Hope it doesn't do that every single time. Alright, connecting back to the network. There we go. Better. we have a pretty good network here. Alright, so what I need to do now is I have to sign in, which you guys aren't going to see this. Okay, so these are the terms of service. I've already been through them before, so it's just basic. We'll accept them. Okay, we'll agree. Google services. Don't like send in information, so we turn that off. Okay, accept that. Google Assistant. We'll continue. We'll allow them to search across all my apps. Okay, we're going to select the services that we have. So, I have YouTube. So I have. We'll confirm. Confirm. Okay, the remote is set up. Let's check and see if the sound works. Yes, it does. And check and see if the power works. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work on my TV. Use your phone and voice command. Change the setup. TV. Have a Vizio. Volume buttons work. I will set up the power button. Press the power button once. Should turn off the TV. Nope. There we go. Alright, that code worked to shut off my TV. Turn it back on. That one worked. Hey, so the Chromecast remote is all set up. Let's go to next. So it's got to install the apps right now. Okay, so it says that my Chromecast is all set up. Let's go in and check it out. And there we go. I like the home page. Okay, let's make sure that I have YouTube TV. Let's make sure that's all set. Okay, signed in as me. Still waiting for TV to come on. There we go. Alright, so I have that all set up. Make sure the channels are all set up. There we go. Alright, so let's go back to the home page. Okay, those are all set. So it shows what's live. Nice. Movies now. Shows. Okay, these are the apps that I have. I can search for apps. Okay, these are what I'm... Oop, don't know what happened there. Uh-oh. Did my app crash? Nope, maybe not. I don't know. Don't know what just happened there. I think the Chromecast just crashed. Let's see. Okay, so these are on other devices. I think these are just, yeah, those are just that's the streaming Verizon streaming TV box that stuff was on. But here's some of the other apps that I can put in. All right, so it looks like it's set up pretty well here. I'm gonna have to go in and I'll check this out, play around with it, see what it has. It's all set up, so now I have to go in, play with it, put the apps on it that I want. Alright everyone, that was the unboxing and the setup of the Chromecast Google TV. Fairly simple. Took me maybe about 20 minutes to set it up. The biggest problem I had was getting that HDMI cable, or the connection, into the back of my TV. This TV is 15 years old, so it's not built for comfort. The TV is actually probably about that thick. So it's getting time for a new one, but hopefully holds out for a little while longer. But in any case, Very easy setup. I am not 100% familiar with the Google TV or the Android TV apps or anything like that, so I'm going to have to play around with it a little bit more before I can do a video on how to install them or anything. So I want to, give the impression that I somewhat know what I'm talking about. But in any case, setting this thing up was very easy. Just follow the on-screen directions and boom, you're in. So I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, thank you for coming. Please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. If you're already a subscriber, you know I appreciate you. Hit that bell icon. You'll get a notification anytime that I put up a new video like this. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see me do a video on. Like I said, this is a whole series of cutting the cord. My family cut the cord. We're into it now, and we're pretty happy with it. Just the quality of the image is so much better than with cable. But in any case, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll have another one coming real soon about installing apps and how to install third-party apps on the Chromecast. Also, how to use some accessories with it too. So come back, check me out real soon. I'll have a new video anytime now. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in a bit.